Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is July the 10th, Tuesday. It's that time of month again. Some munchies in the mail. TryTreats.com. Click on the link down below. Try some new treats all the way around the universe, the world. Exciting new candy you guys could try. And we'll see what they have this month. Here we go. I'll open it this side. Oh, here's a cut. There we go. We got it. And now, so they got other candies you could pick and choose, or you could do it kind of like random. So this is a random box of goodies coming from, anyone want to guess that sticker? Country. Let's see. Alright. From Bogota, Colombia. Honest Raya. Sweet Colombia. See, like I said, every month get some mystery goodies all the way different parts of the world. Hold on. Get a little cool card. And here we go. Oh, actually, we'll just take a look. Read that at the end. Uh-oh. We got some of these. Super Cocoa. El Saber to run. Right on. There we go. Super duper. And another one to run. And another. Super Cocoa. Alright. What is this mystery thing? Uh-oh. It's like a red hot chili. Looks like a gummy. Squishy. Got some sugar on it, maybe. Yum. Oh boy, here we go. We have some frutas. Oh, chewy, gummy goodies. Alright. Hold on one sec. I gotta adjust. There we go. And we got some cheese. Nope. Cheras del Julida. Ooh. Something good. And that's a big box this time. Whoa. We got some chips. Big bag of chips. Original. And we got another set of these. Frunyas. Coco Sena. Coconut cream. Bada boom, bada bing. Got a little jet. Chocolate. Whoa. This is heavy. It's like a huge brownie. Choco Ramo. Awesome stuff. And like I said, you guys could get it too. All you gotta do is click on the link. Sign up. Get some of these mystery goodies every month. This might be their own specialty that they make in Colombia. Ooh, cheese snacks. Bada boom. And that's it. Oh, we got another one of those. Super Cocoa. And then here we go. Here's the list. Costco. There's all the good stuff. Colombia. Shout out to you guys. I'm going to watch the World Cup today. A few minutes. Famous candies is coconut, caramel. Whoa. Chewy texture. Nice. Alright. These awesome cheese beats. Those kisses in Spanish. Oh. Hearty treat. Cheese balls made with real cheese. They are baked, not fried. Yes, I am. Mm-hmm. Oh, boy. Check out moco cake. Oh, nice. Kind of Colombian treat. El Gopi by Yuppie. It's 3 different chips. Whoa. That's that big bag we just seen. And there's that Palantas D something. Caramel. Sweet. What is that? There's Trimpy or awesome stuff. They also got the mystery box giveaway. But definitely you guys should sign up. Check them out. Really cool. So next month might be a different one. Different country. But you guys can keep on coming back. See what you guys missed. But take a chance. Cancel anytime. Give it a shot. Alright, YouTubers, be safe and have a good one.